Hello, Abracadabra Beauty. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Sensational Curl Kinks and Co line. It's the Elite Babe. If you want to see how I did it and how I liked it, stay tuned. So every time I go to film, I have a little person that likes to be on camera. So this is his camera time. Say hi, baby O. Alright, so let's get to business. This is a sensational wig from their Curls, Kinks, and Co line. It is the Elite Babe, and I got it in Money Piece Caramel. I like to say caramel. It rolls off the tongue better. This is the hair right out of the bag. It is very lightweight. There's a deep middle part with a few baby hairs. On the inside, there are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 adjustable straps on each side. First impressions, the hair texture is the texture of hair that's been natural hair that's been blown out and straightened. On the card that comes with the wig, you can see the beautiful model there. She looks gorgeous. And then on the inside, it says it's tailored textures. This style mimics a natural hair blowout or roller set for all curl types from 3B to 4C. And then as you can see, it comes in all these different colors, which are gorgeous. I'm so glad I got the Money Piece Caramel. It has those 2 blonde highlights in the front, and then the back is I believe a color number 4. Applying this wig was really easy. I didn't have to adjust anything on the straps or anything. It fit my head perfectly, and it's not too tight, not too loose. I think I have like a medium-sized head, but it is large head friendly. And if you have a smaller head, of course, use the adjustable straps. So here I'm just showing how natural the hairline is. There's that part, and this is the hair right on my head without doing anything to it. I'm about 5'6", and the hair comes a little bit past my shoulders. Alright, so now I'm just grabbing my detangling brush and brushing through the hair. I'm brushing in the direction that I want my curls to go, if that makes sense. And when I tell you, y'all, Sensational got it right with the hair texture. It's literally like blown out natural hair. It really is. It's light, it's not heavy, it's not hot, but it is full at the same time. And boom, look at that. I haven't even done anything to the part yet. So moving forward, let's start cutting the lace with my dollar store scissors. Do not judge me. I know all the professional hairstylists are cringing right now. Close your eyes, don't watch. Okay, so now I've cut all the lace off the perimeter. I got as close to the hairline as I possibly could. So now I'm just going to add some powder, some of my Bare Minerals foundation powder to the lace to help camouflage that lace. And guys, I forgot to mention earlier, this is my very first time doing a lace front wig. I normally wear U-part wigs or just like full wigs where there's no lace or there's bangs. Nothing I have to deal with edges or baby hairs or lace. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've been watching other YouTubers and this is where I got my technique from. So any suggestions on a better way to lay my lace down, I'm here for. Leave it in the comments. I'm open and willing to learn. Okay, so next to lay down my part, I'm using some foaming mousse. This is OGX locking and coconut curls mousse, and I just add that in the area where my part is. And once that mousse is in there, I'm just smoothing it out some with a comb. As you can see, that part is already starting to look pretty flat just from doing that. But wait, there's more. I'm not done. And I have no idea what I was listening to right here, but don't I look like I'm saying, I was waiting on you at the door? Alright, so to lay down this part even more, I'm going in with my electric ceramic hair comb that I got from Amazon, which is bomb. I'll leave all the details below, the link below on how to purchase you one. So this is a synthetic wig, which it does take moderate heat. I'm not sure the temperature I had this at, but just be careful. And so you just use that straightening comb to go across the part to make it flat as possible. And you see how quick that was, how super flat it is. This hot comb is bomb. I love it. And I'm going in again with my detangling brush, trying to manipulate that curl pattern so I can get it to how I want it to look. Also, there was little shedding with this wig. It is a synthetic wig, so that's to be expected. A little bit of shedding, but it was not a lot. So here's the part again with no plucking. I just laid it down with the mousse and the hot comb, and it's already looking pretty good. I also added concealer to that part, just the concealer I use on my skin tone. I'm not sure what happened to my footage, but yes, I did. And what's up next? Baby hairs. Yes, I love me some baby hairs. I am an 80s baby. We loved our baby hairs back then, and now it has made a huge comeback. So I had to add me some baby hairs to my wig. It just completes the look. And you know what, I also noticed that adding baby hairs keeps your wig down. So it's kind of like, if you don't want to use glue around the edges or around your around your edges, you can use some edge control or foam and make your baby hairs, and that helps to lay down that lace in the front. And when I tell you I have one annoyance with this wig, is that curl pattern. I'm trying to keep it uniform and going a certain way, and one side is great, as you can see that one side is good, but it's this side that just kept having a mind of its own. That's the only issue I had with this wig, is the curl pattern. But other than that, this is a gorgeous wig. And y'all, I'm just in love with this wig. It's giving me baby storm vibes. Yes. If you want to transform, you need a quick transformation, get this wig, get this color. It's gonna do it. And my final thoughts on this wig, I absolutely love it. I highly suggest it. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. And that's simply because the one annoyance was the formation of the curls. Other than that, gorgeous wig. I highly suggest it. So you guys, let me know how I did. Do you like it? Are you gonna try it for yourself? Let me know in the comments below and leave me a heart emoji so I know you stayed to the end. I'll know the love is real then. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.